If the tripod plate thread breaks on your Sony A7S, here's how to fix it yourself, and this is the part you're going to need.
The most difficult part of the whole process is actually getting this replacement part. The number of the part you'll need is in the description below, and if you search this part number online, it should bring up a range of options to purchase it. Depending on where you live, you may be able to find a company that stocks it and will ship you the part. If not, you might have to go to eBay to source it. In terms of price, you'll normally be looking between $20 and $50 plus shipping. To replace the part, you'll need a very small Phillips cross-slot head screwdriver. Unscrew the base plate, keeping these small screws stored safely. Next, remove this one screw that holds the next plate in place. Be aware that when you take this off, the inside of your camera is fully exposed. You can now access the screw thread, and there are 3 screws here which you need to remove. You can now switch in the replacement piece and reattach the 3 screws, and then reassemble the camera.